Good morning. Is this my seat?
Yes, seat 12B.
Is it a window seat?
No, middle seat.
Can I have water, please?
Yes, of course.
Do you have orange juice?
Yes, here you go.
Is the juice cold?
Yes, very cold.
Can I have a snack?
Yes, right away.
Is food included?
Yes, it is included.
What food do you have?
Sandwich or salad today?
Can I have both?
Sorry, just one, please.
I will take sandwich then.
Good choice. Enjoy it.
Is the flight long?
About 3 hours total.
Are we on time?
Yes, perfectly on time.
What is our altitude?
About 30,000 feet.
Is it safe up here?
Yes, very safe.
Can I recline my seat?
Yes, go ahead, please.
Is my seatbelt on correctly?
Yes, looks correct.
Can I use my phone?
Please use airplane mode.
Is Wi-Fi available here?
Yes, paid Wi-Fi available.
How much does it cost?
$10 for flight.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card is fine.
Is the toilet free now?
Yes, green light means free.
Where is the toilet?
At the back, please.
Can I have a blanket?
Yes, here you go.
Is there a pillow too?
Yes, one moment, please.
Is the cabin too cold?
I will adjust it.
Can I have headphones?
Yes, here you are.
Is there a movie?
Yes, on your screen.
How do I turn it on?
Press the screen once.
Can I have more juice?
Yes, coming right away.
Are we landing soon?
Yes, in 1 hour.
What city are we landing in?
We land in London.
Is London cold now?
Yes, bring a jacket.
Do I need a visa?
Please check at arrival.
Where is baggage claim?
Signs will guide you.
Is there a connecting flight?
Please check your ticket.
Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course, sir.
Is my luggage safe below?
Yes, very safe below.
Can I stand up now?
Yes, seatbelt sign is off.
Is there turbulence ahead?
A little. Stay seated.
Should I buckle up?
Yes, just to be safe.
Is the pilot experienced?
Yes, very experienced pilot.
How high are the clouds?
We are above them.
Is that the ocean below?
Yes, the Atlantic Ocean.
Is it a smooth flight?
Yes, very smooth today.
Can I see the map?
Yes, on your screen.
Are we flying over Europe?
Yes, over Europe now.
Is the captain experienced?
Yes, 20 years experience.
Can I have more water?
Yes, here you go.
Is there hot tea?
Yes, coming right up.
Can I have dessert?
Yes, chocolate cake today.
Is the cake good?
Yes, very delicious.
Can I have extra napkins?
Yes, here you are.
Is my tray table broken?
No, push button to open.
Can I change my seat?
Sorry, flight is full.
Can I have another blanket?
Yes, one moment, please.
Is my reading light working?
Yes, press button above.
Can I charge my phone?
Yes, plug below seat.
Is there a charging port?
Yes, USB port available.
Can I get a magazine?
Yes, in seat pocket.
Is the meal vegetarian?
Yes, salad is vegetarian.
Can I have salt, please?
Yes, here you go.
Is pepper available too?
Yes, right here, sir.
Can I have more cake?
Sorry, only one piece.
Is the landing smooth usually?
Yes, very smooth landing.
Should I put my seat up?
Yes, for landing, please.
Are we descending now?
Yes, starting descent now.
Can I keep my tray?
No, please fold it.
Is my bag secure above?
Yes, checked and secure.
Are we almost there?
Yes, 20 minutes left.
Was this a good flight?
Yes, very smooth flight.
Will you fly this route again?
Yes, every single week.
Can I take a photo here?
Yes, go ahead, sir.
Is London Airport big?
Yes, very big airport.
Thank you for everything today.
You are very welcome.
Can I give feedback online?
Yes, check your email.
Will you have a good day?
Thank you. You too.
Goodbye, and thank you again.
Goodbye. Enjoy your stay.